Welcome to a journey of insights. In this remarkable journey of discovery, let's explore the intricate tapestry of human emotions and behaviors, unveiling the subtle nuances that shape our interactions. The beauty of healthy jealousy. A touch of jealousy in a relationship can be invigorating. It's the heartwarming sensation of realizing that someone treasures your presence enough to fear losing it. Unveiling the art of deception. Those adept at the art of deceit often possess an uncanny ability to perceive falsehoods in others. Their skill in weaving intricate lies lends them a unique insight into the tales spun by those around them. Wit and sarcasm, mark of brilliance. Bright minds are known for their swift and witty retorts, a trait often demonstrated through their mastery of sarcasm. Their agile minds craft clever responses, setting them apart from those of lesser intellect. The power of silence for mind and memory. Engaging in 2 hours of silence each day fosters the growth of brain cells within the hippocampus, a region responsible for nurturing memories. This period of tranquility breathes life into the repository of our experiences. The paradox of sharing goals. Surprisingly, broadcasting your aspirations to the world can sometimes dim your chances of achievement. The fervor wanes as motivation dwindles under the spotlight of public expectation. The echoes of overthinking. A mind adrift in overthinking continues its ruminations even in slumber, leading to a restless awakening. The strength in vulnerability. A hidden strength is found in those who, after a moment of solitude, emerge from the bathroom with a renewed face, concealing their tears with a cloak of resilience. Secrets in the subtle. In the language of gestures, a girl's fingers that flirt with her hair while conversing with you whisper untold stories of her admiration. Nurturing bonds for longevity. Believe it or not, the circle of friendship holds the key to a healthier life. Those woven into larger networks of camaraderie tend to enjoy extended lifespans. Healing, embracing the spectrum of emotions. Healing doesn't entail a life devoid of sadness or anxiety. Instead, it symbolizes the acquisition of tools to navigate these emotions in a positive manner, fostering growth. Harnessing the power of emotion. Emotions are steadfast companions, but our approach to them is fluid. We hold the power to transform their impact on our lives. The veiled care of aloofness. Sometimes a distant demeanor conceals a depth of emotion, the profound caring hidden beneath a veil of detachment. Blue hues and serenity. The color blue has a magical touch. It prompts the brain to release calming hormones, gently guiding us toward tranquility. The persistence of intent. Genuine intent bridges any gap. If someone truly seeks your company, they'll defy distance and adversity to make it a reality. Sarcasm, a window to insight. A master of sarcasm often holds the key to deciphering minds. Their wit allows them to unearth the concealed thoughts of others. Bound by friendship, a foundation for forever. Uniting in marriage with your confidant slashes divorce risks by over 70%. Such unions stand a higher chance of enduring a lifetime. Embrace your authentic self. Don't fret if someone doesn't embrace your uniqueness. For every skeptic, there's another admirer who resonates with your essence. The citrus elixir of calm. The simple orange wields remarkable power. It's a stress reliever, its zesty essence offering respite in the midst of chaos. Navigating the labyrinth of life loss of direction is a shared experience. Life's journey tests our ability to reclaim our path. Mind over body, a delicate balance. Your body responds to your mind's command. Negative thoughts weaken your immune system, potentially leaving you vulnerable to illness. Profanity and loyalty. Though frowned upon, frequent swearing reflects honesty and loyalty. Profane expressions strip away pretense, revealing one's true self. The fragility of trust. Complete trust is a delicate creation formed once per person. Once shattered, its fragments never quite fit the same way. Matters of the heart. When torn between two affections, the second often shines brighter. If love for the first were profound, the allure of the second would never have taken root. Tears of joy and sorrow, happiness and sorrow find their voice in tears. A tear of happiness originates from the right eye, while sorrow's first drop falls from the left. The language of the smile. A smile, whether forced or genuine, releases stress. It hints at an individual's desire to mask vulnerability, concealing it beneath a facade. Invisible desires in plain sight. Hidden desires often manifest through actions. The woman adorned in makeup may harbor a fondness for the company of men, revealing character through words. Listening to how a person speaks of others unveils their character. The words they use for you echo how they'll paint you in the eyes of others. In gratitude, we conclude our journey into the intricacies of human nature draws to a close. With gratitude, we appreciate the wisdom gained and the beauty uncovered.